Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming desks that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Arozzi Arena is a versatile and ultra-wide curved desk aimed at enhancing gaming and office experiences. With its large dimensions of 63 inches wide, 32 inches deep and 32 inches high, this desk provides ample space for multiple monitors and accessories, making it ideal for gamers and professionals alike. It boasts a robust weight capacity of 176 pounds, allowing it to support heavy setups with ease. The desk surface is made from engineered wood and is fully covered with a replaceable microfiber mousepad, ensuring smooth and accurate mouse movements. This mousepad is water-resistant and machine-washable, making maintenance simple. Another key feature is its innovative cable management system, which includes a mesh basket under the desk to keep cables organized and clutter-free. Additionally, the desk offers adjustable height settings, allowing users to find their perfect ergonomic position for comfort during long sessions. Built with a sturdy powder-coated metal frame, the Arozzi Arena desk combines durability with modern aesthetics, making it a stylish fit for any environment. Its curved design enhances immersion, especially for multi-monitor setups, and the custom monitor mount cutouts ensure optimal organization. Overall, this desk excels in providing a spacious, organized, and ergonomic solution for gaming and office work. The Secretlab Magnus Pro is a premium gaming and office desk designed for users seeking both style and functionality. Built with durability in mind, it supports up to 220 pounds, making it ideal for multi-monitor setups and heavy gaming equipment. The desk comes in two sizes, 1,200mm and 1,500mm in length, with a 700mm width, offering plenty of space for gaming peripherals and other devices. Its sleek industrial design, combined with a textured powder-coated finish, gives it a modern aesthetic that appeals to gamers and professionals alike. One of its standout features is the magnetic ecosystem, which allows users to easily attach accessories like cable anchors, RGB lighting strips, and magnetic desk mats. This modular approach provides customization, enabling users to tailor the desk to their specific needs. The desk also includes a built-in cable management tray that spans its length, allowing for a clean, clutter-free workspace by keeping cables organized and hidden. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the desk promotes good posture during long gaming or work sessions. Its adjustable height accommodates users of different heights and ensures a comfortable sitting position. The desk also supports various add-ons, including the MagPad desk mat and RGB lighting options, allowing users to further enhance their workspace. Overall, the Secretlab Magnus Pro is a high-quality customizable desk that combines functionality, aesthetics, and durability, making it a top choice for serious gamers and professionals. The Eureka Z60 is designed to offer both comfort and style for an immersive gaming experience. Featuring a large carbon fiber textured desktop, this desk provides ample space for gaming setups, measuring 60.5 inches wide and 24 inches deep. Its spacious surface easily accommodates multiple monitors, keyboards, and other gaming accessories, making it a perfect fit for serious gamers. One of the desk's key features is its customizable RGB lighting. With adjustable colors and lighting effects, users can create a personalized and vibrant gaming atmosphere that matches their style. The desk's Z-shaped legs not only add a modern aesthetic but also ensure stability and sturdiness for a secure gaming setup. Supporting up to 500 pounds, this desk is built to handle even the heaviest gaming rigs. In addition to its sleek design, the Eureka Z60 comes equipped with convenient accessories like a cup holder, headphone hook, and controller stand, helping to keep your gaming essentials within easy reach. It also features cable management options to maintain an organized and clutter-free workspace. Constructed from high-quality materials, the desk is designed for durability and long-lasting use. Its easy assembly ensures quick setup, allowing gamers to dive into their experience without hassle. Overall, the Eureka Z60 is a feature-rich, stylish, and functional desk that enhances any gaming setup. The Cooler Master GD160 ARGB offers a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, designed to elevate both gaming and work experiences. Its dimensions of 63 inches by 29.5 inches provide ample space for multiple monitors, peripherals, and accessories, making it suitable for large setups. The desk's height is electronically adjustable, ranging from 25.6 to 51.2 inches, allowing users to easily switch between sitting and standing positions with a dual motor system that ensures smooth and quiet transitions. This makes it ideal for maintaining comfort during long sessions, whether gaming or working. Constructed from chipboard, aluminum, and steel, the desk is sturdy and durable, supporting a weight capacity of 220.5 pounds. The customizable ARGB lighting along the front and back of the desk adds to its immersive appeal, and it can be synchronized with other Cooler Master products using Master Plus software. This feature allows users to create a cohesive personalized lighting setup. Additional features include a smart controller with built-in USB charging, 3 customizable height presets, and anti-collision technology to prevent damage during height adjustments. The desk also offers a rear cable management tray, though some users note it could be improved further. Overall, the Cooler Master GD160 ARGB desk combines sleek design, robust construction, and innovative features, making it a top choice for gamers seeking a versatile high-quality desk that enhances their setup. The Mojo Gamer Pro is a high-end electric standing desk crafted for esports and PC gaming enthusiasts, prioritizing ergonomics, durability, and functionality. It is designed to enhance the gaming experience while promoting health through adjustable height settings. The desk features a 3-stage electric telescoping leg system, allowing height adjustments between 24 to 50.25 inches, suitable for users ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 6 inches. This wide range accommodates both sitting and standing positions, providing ergonomic comfort for extended gaming sessions. Built with a sturdy metal frame, the desk can handle a maximum load of 300 pounds and is engineered to withstand up to 20,000 cycles of height adjustments without wobbling. The durable tabletop is crafted from chipboard with a soft touch finish that is water-resistant, scratch-proof, and easy to clean. The desk also includes ergonomic curved front lip and grommet holes for cable management, promoting a seamless and tidy workspace. One of its standout features is the Magic Snap cable management system, which uses magnetically attached components like a cable tray, chain, and power bar to keep cords organized and hidden. The desk also includes useful accessories like a monitor arm and CPU hanger, enhancing the overall setup. With an LED display controller offering 4 programmable height presets and a safety motion sensor, the desk is user-friendly and secure. The Mojo Gamer Pro is an ideal investment for gamers seeking a premium, ergonomic, and highly functional gaming workspace.